अरे मुखिया जी, where are you running off the car? Where is the fire? Who let the dogs out my car?
Hey Babu, stop muttering and sputtering Angrezi dialogues, eh? You know what a busy man I am.
Yes, I know. But have you heard the big news?
What news?
Well, listen carefully. I am going to say this only once.
अरे अजीब जबरदस्ती है. Why only once? Not that I am deaf or anything.
Never mind. The government has sanctioned a very big school project. $1,800.54. Eh? 80,000 rupees, Mukhya ji. Just sit and think for a while.
This is very good news. This is very, very good news. Maybe we can get that farmhouse made in Pithoragarh this year. And if some money is left, then maybe a school too. From the $1,800.54, I mean.
Someone is coming. Seal your lips and throw away the key.
राम राम मुखिया जी. You have become ईद का चांद मुखिया जी. Never see you these days. Give us the pleasure of your company sometime.
And myself, Babu, from Government of India on confidential government business.
You know what a busy man we are, Lala. But you can have the pleasure of my company now, you know. वैसे तो I try to give pleasure whenever I can. Not that I have much time.
Delivery.
By the way, Lala, we wanted to know about the delivery. The delivery from the truck, I mean. The delivery that you got last night. So you are now well stocked, Lala.
अरे सरकार, nothing is hidden from your all-seeing eyes, your all-hearing ears, and your ideal brain.
What?
मुखिया जी, ideal brain, dark mind. But you know these hard times, मुखिया जी. Delivery or no delivery, shortage is always there. Politics, corruption, all that you see.
I know. About corruption, I mean. Greatest evil of our beloved Mother India.
अरे मुखिया जी, shortage.
So shortage this year again, Lala? Maybe I should get some government officials' advice about this problem.
अरे सरकार, there is the need to talk. That is the problem with this country. People talk too much and think little. You let me handle this, Mukhya ji, and I'll have some rice, some wheat, and basically delivered to your house.
ASAP, as soon as possible. But Lala, don't forget my 10%. Eh?
And some hair dye also, Lala. Godrej hair dye, of course. It's not for me, it's for somebody else.
अभी लो मुखिया जी, put some hair dye, eat desi ghee के पकौड़े, and go to sleep. You are a busy man, मुखिया जी. You did your rest.
Yes. Good work, Mukhya ji. But don't forget, I always have to remind you your lines.
Hey Babu, don't try to act too smart. Just think of all the money you have made because of me all these years. Had it not been for me, you would still be counting athannis and chavannis like you did yesterday. Not be playing in thousands like you do today.
Mukhya ji, I am playing only in thousands, but you are swimming in lakhs. Arey, in India nobody can get anything done without some Babu's help. You know? Arey, काम खत्म, पैसा आजम. This is called Babudam.
Chacha, वो तो ठीक है. But Babu, this time I don't want to take any risk. What if some government official comes here for an inspection? We must get a small school built. Arey, if we use low quality material, we can get a school built in 10,000 rupees. बाकी जेब में. And 70,000 is still not a small amount, you know.
This is your problem, Mukhya ji. You always think small. You don't really have any guts. And which century are you living in? build a small school in 10,000 rupees. Huh? Arey, if we use sand instead of cement, then also we cannot do it. Inflation आएगा, समझा कीजिए.
You are right, Babu. About inflation, I mean, greatest evil of our beloved Mother India. But Babu, my blood pressure still rises when you make me do things like this. I am an old man now. Can't live with all that tension.
अरे वाह, I can't imagine you getting tense when you are counting all the money with your greedy hands and your tongue hanging out. And tell me one thing, Mukhya ji, you have been able to buy land about the size of Goa. Have you ever been caught?
हाँ, वो तो है. We have been very smart.
You always get it wrong. Not you. I have been very smart. It's not difficult if one uses his brains. You know, all you have to know is how much money to offer. Arey, this is India, a democracy, a market economy. One can sell and buy anything, even development. All you have to know is the right price. That's it. Yes.
बनिया 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 एकम बनिया बनिया दूनी धनिया अरे बनिया दिगी तेल बनिया चौके चावल बनिया की गाओ गुड़िया उड़ उड़ बैठे अरे बनिया दुकनिया उड़ उड़ बैठे अरे बनिया दुकनिया पैसा सारा हड़प लियो रे टोपी वाले बाबू चलत मुसाफिर ठग लियो रे टोपी वाले बाबू
अरे बेटा बिरजू, why do I always see you running about like PT Usha these days? Tell your old mother also, what is going on? Slow down and smell the roses, मेरे बच्चे.
What roses, ma? This village is only full of thorns. Deadly, poisonous, villainous thorns.
Deadly thorns? Where? Or are you doing shayari with old mother again? I knew it had to be some ishka chakkar. It is that prema girl, is it not?
What he means to say, Mataji, is that there are a few corrupt people in the village, and our Birju is personally offended at their continued presence. That is all.
I tell you, Shiva, we must wage a complete war against the forces of corruption in the country. They are the root of all evil.
अरे बेटा, मेरी मान और शादी कर ले. Listen to me and get married. All these thorns and evils will go away, and we will have नन्हे मुन्ने roses in our garden.
Otherwise, I will run away and never come back.
Ram Ram Mataji, I am Sadhana Devi, working for the NGO Help the Poor Go to Heaven.
That I immediately guessed it. There is not one young woman in this village that I don't know. Actually, I am looking for a bride. Ye pass second and third year. Second year result will come in a few weeks.
So, I came to you because I want to start a school here. You know,
wife is going to be very lucky. So much land.
If you can talk to Birju about letting me use that old building to run the school, I'll be very grateful to you.
Arey beti, who am I to talk? I never talk unnecessarily. Anyone in this village will tell you that. Why don't you talk to Birju yourself? I will call him. Birju? Arey oh Birju! Look who has come to meet you.
Namaste. I am Sadhana Devi, working for the NGO Help the Poor.
Help the poor and go to heaven.
I want to start a school here and was wondering if you were kind enough to let me use that old building on your land to run the school.
Start a school here. What a great idea. Oh, Sadhana ji, what a wonderful notion. Wonder why it never struck me. That is just the thing this village needs.
Arey, why do you get carried away? How do you know she is telling the truth? For all you know, this might be a ploy to grab that land.
Stop it, Shiva. I can't believe you are saying such things. Please forgive him, Sadhana ji. He's good at heart, but bad at manners.
Thank you, thank you. I'm not a dog who just bit your guest.
Please don't apologize, Birjuji. I'm happy to give you my credentials. I'm from Delhi. I have a degree in law, but I've devoted my life to social service. I'm here to spread the message of literacy and family planning.
Haha beti, sit here and spread the message to our You want a family? That is very good.
But
Stop it, you fool. You will ruin everything. Don't you see? This could be the answer to our prayers.
oh, now she is the answer for the prayers, isn't it? I always knew you cannot be trusted with Prema. Anyway, good for me. Now you will leave us alone. Hey, look, here she comes. Hey, that Sony girl is also with her. She's too chalu, I tell you.
Is this all you ever think about? Prema, Sony? Listen, I have some news for all of you. Remember how we were wondering what to do about the Mukhya? How to find out what he's been up to? I think we could get some help from Sadhana ji.
Arey, who is this Devi ji?
Devi ji, from heaven to help the poor.
We must meet her.
We'll meet her very soon, Prema. Get back to the matter at hand. Sadhana ji has a degree in law. I'm sure she can help us in our dilemma. We can all lodge a case against the Mukhya and put those scoundrels behind bars.
There he goes again. Building castles in the air. How can you be so delusional, Birju?
But there is no harm in talking to her, Shiva. It might be helpful. As it is, we don't know what to do next. Let's talk to her.
Yeah, let's go. I'm anyway dying to meet her. Let's go.
Ram Ram Mataji. Ram Ram Beti. You are here again. I wonder whether you ever go to your own house also or not. Whenever I open my eyes, you are here.
Soon you will see her, Mataji, after you close your eyes also.
Working for the NGO Help the Poor and Go to Heaven. I'm new in this village.
That's all, Sadhana ji. We needed your help.
Haha beta, ask her. Ask her for anything you want. Chalo chalo, let them talk. Go to your work.
Our work is here, Mataji. We are here to help Birju. You, Hena Prana.
Only God can help Birju now. What you can do with just a sheet of paper, I don't understand. Be realistic, man. These waters run very deep. And you don't know how to swim.
No harm in trying, Shiva. Ma, please make us some tea. Sony, get me the papers. Shiva and Prema, please sit. We have a lot to talk about.
इन्हें देखा तो ये जाना सनम, अब है नया जमाना सनम, अब इधर से उधर जाए हम, इन बच्चों के साथ जाए हम।
It seems you're right. There is something very odd about the project completion report of Ramghat Canal when there is none in your village. What we need is definite information about this project.
Maybe I can find some information from Mukhia. He likes me a lot, you know. He'll do anything for me.
Or maybe I can beat him till he spills a bean.
Don't even think of that. One tight slap would kill that old coward. But why don't we talk to some afsar, some government official? Someone surely would know something. Or maybe we can go to Sheher and talk to some mantri there.
Well, you don't have to go to such great lengths, you know. There is perfectly a simple solution. Fortunately, this is democracy. And there is a sound legal system in place for problems like ours.
बस हो गई नेतागिरी शुरू. When they start talking about the Constitution of India, I immediately know nothing will get done.
I must say, young man, you have no manners. There is no need to make fun of our Indian constitution, which is sacred and...
Haji, we all love the Constitution of India. Now tell us what to do.
Tell us, Sadhana ji, how to fight this evil spectre of corruption, how to crumble it under our shoes, and eradicate this disease from the hearts and minds of all Indians.
Relax, Pintu beta, relax. I am afraid one of these days you will have a heart attack. Tell Sadhana ji, pyar say what you want and she will help you. Won't you, Betty?
हाँ भाई मनोज कुमार, please give it a rest. Let's hear what Devi ji has to say.
I was referring to the Right to Information Act. It is an act to obtain transparency in governance. It enables local people to access government information on a number of issues. For example, one can find out how much money has been sanctioned by the government, how it was used, the assets and liabilities of government servants, and many more things. Government expenditure is also a part that can be obtained under the right to information.
I had no idea. But hey, this is just the kind of thing that we need. Our right to information. Just think of what we can do with this kind of a weapon.
We can change everything.
अरे यार, I don't see why you are jumping around so much. Friends, you must admit to the general rule. Every optimist is a fool. There is hunger and disease and starvation. And he gets excited about right to information.
I should say I agree. Till the time there is so much misery, hunger and poverty, this is an empty victory.
It is a victory, is it not? And for now, it's all we have got. It's upon us to use it or abuse it. But let's not just refuse it.
It is more, much more. And I will show you. I will convert the skeptics if that is the last thing I do.
If I may make a suggestion, the right to information is a very powerful tool. Why don't you arrange to obtain the files pertaining to your village and see how much money has been sanctioned by the government and how it was used?
I must say, this is interesting. I am curious anyway.
I am also curious. Just imagine how much dark secrets would be there in those files.
Yes, that's just a great way of finding what's going on.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
अब झूठ से थक सब गए, क्या करें हम क्या कहें, सच आगे बढ़ता रहे, हम इसे समझा करें। इनकी आवाज थी ये तो सबने सुनी, अब है इनका जमाना सनम, इन्हें देखा तो ये जाना सनम।
Ma, can I have some more tea, please?
You want more tea? Do you know how much Dhanno has lost from all the milk you have been drinking in the tea all day? I ask you, is this the way to treat old mother? Arey, who's Dhanno?
Our cow.
Please give our apologies to poor Dhannu Mataji. How selfish and cruel we are. Little did we know, tea drinking could be so dangerous to animals.
Sitting with good-for-nothing friends and making merry with chalu girls all day. Who thought of pleasing old mother, finding nice homely girls and settling down? I ask you, Birju, will these Avara friends come and take care of you when I'm gone?
I don't know about others, Mataji, but please don't count on me. I don't plan to be friends with him very much longer. He makes me think about the country too much.
Look, Shiva, just some more tea, ma. Last time, promise. Hey, tea, ma, please.
Acha. Last time I tell you. वैसे भी, how can I say no? Everyone in the village says how thin poor Birju is. Don't you feed him, Mataji? If only they knew. Reading Angrezi all day and not eating.
Oh my God! I have not read this much in my entire life. My back hurts, yeah. Does your back hurt too, Birju?
My head hurts. There is so much information here, and we have gone through only half of it. I can't believe how much we don't know, how much we never cared to find. This is the limit, yeah.
Hurts your pride, doesn't it? And all this while, we thought of ourselves as the modern, progressive youth of Ramgarh.
What makes me mad is that Mukhya and the others have making fool out of us all this while. Nobody can make fool out of Soni and get away with it. Soni se sara gaon dareगा, मुझसे पंगा भारी पड़ेगा.
Arey Chacha, even the village mice won't get scared of it. Baat kar diya. But that Mukhya, I always considered him to be a harmless fool. And to realize that he has been making a fool of us all this while, it makes my blood boil.
And not just the Mukhya, it seems. They are all in it. The BDO, the Lala, and even that Babu. They must have become Lakpatis. And here we are. The enterprising youth, the future of the country, doing nothing but sitting around all day and cursing the government.
That's the reason they got away with it for so many years. Because they thought they could hide it from us. And they would have gotten away even this time if it wasn't for this small accident. This is just awful.
Let's teach them a lesson they'll never forget. Let's show them that we won't be fooled anymore.
I am going to break every bone in his body. I will beat him so much that he will forget his name. That Mukhi.
Control yourself, Shiva. Violence is never the answer.
Chalo yaar. I didn't ask a question. I don't want any answer. I just want to make him cry.
Better ways of making them cry.
No, Prema, I like Shiva's idea. Just imagine how much fun it would be.
Hey Bhagwan, how bloodthirsty you are. But have you thought what happens afterwards? call the police? That Babu, do you think he's just going to sit there and let Shiva beat him? He'll run to Daroga ji and then we'll all be in trouble.
Let's tell the Daroga what these people have been up to. I am sure he would like to beat them up himself.
That's an excellent idea, Sumi.
Oh my god, Birju likes my idea. I am going to faint.
This. But why only the Daroga? Let's tell everyone. Let us tell the entire village. Let them all know the reality. The more, the better. We can beat them up then. The Daroga can hardly put the entire village in jail.
You mean like a rally? A protest? A dharna?
Oh no. No hunger strike, please. So, are we going to print posters? Make a stage?
Yes, bring mics, make speeches. Let's reveal the truth to everybody. Oh my god, I just can't believe it.
Oh, don't worry, Sony, I'm scared too. I just hope it goes on fine.
Scared? Are you crazy? Just imagine how much fun it would be. At last, I'll be so famous. And that would be so great.
It will be great, won't it? Just imagine how their faces would look when they realize that we know.
Yeah,
That would be a sight.
I can't imagine. And to think we did it. We, the youth of Ramgarh. Wow.
Let the preparations begin.
We are going to do it right now?
Are we going to do this right now? Here? This evening? Don't you think we are rushing it a bit?
Yes, I think we should prepare a speech. Discuss what we need to tell the villagers.
Why make a speech? We are not here to make speeches. We are only here to speak the truth. We only want to tell the villagers about their rights, about the injustice that's being done to them. What preparation does one need for that?
He is right, Prema. We are ready. We can never be this ready again. I can't believe the things that I have read today. It has shocked me and angered me at the same time. I want to lash out. Do something now.
Yes, now.
Yes, Shiva, I'm there with you too.
And I will never let you go.
Let's make sure they don't get away with this. Let this be a pact.
आगे आगे सबसे आगे निकल जाए हम। आती लहरें पागल तूफान सबकी आंखों में है एकदम। हमको बुलाती है राहें नहीं, ताकत हमारी है बाएं गई। दिल ने ली ऐसी उड़ान, अपनी ये धरती है अपना जहां। अपनी ये धरती है अपना जहां, रोक सको तो रोक लो।
Namaste, Viju. You seem to study too much. Have you failed your BA third year exam?
Virju failing an exam. I hope I could live to see that day. But I think it's impossible, Devi.
Sadhana ji, we are only following your advice. We have got all the information pertaining to the development program sanctioned for Ramgarh village.
Oh, you're exercising your right to information at last. I like that very much. It is very heartening, very promising. I congratulate you.
I like that too very much, Sadhana ji. Please congratulate me also.
I must say that you have such strange friends.
अरे सज्जन सिंह जी, just the man I wanted to say. आइए।
अरे बेटा, मुझे देखकर इतना खुश आज तक कोई नहीं हुआ। No one has ever showed so much happiness at my presence before. And उल्टा टीपू की माँ, she is just thinking of how to get rid of me.
We had some questions for you, Sajjan Ji.
Arey wow, is it a game? Am I on TV? Is that camera?
No, no, Sajjan Singh ji, you're not on TV. But please do sit. You also, Sadhana ji. Please sit.
Ma, please come out. We need you here.
अरे क्या बात है? Is this a game? Am I on TV? Can I say namaste to your बनारस वाली मौसी बेटा?
Ma, you are not on TV. Please sit. We'll come to know what this is about.
Hey Prema, you get the Babu. Soni, you get the Mukhya. And I will get the Lala.
I am very glad Premaji came to see me. I am ready anytime to give consultation on government business. And what is this? Microphone. Arey Premaji, I do only confidential business. Never on loudspeaker.
Don't worry, Babuji. I have some very confidential business for you. But please, do sit here. Please.
क्या बात है सोनी? I am so glad you agreed to go to Shahar with me. I will take you as soon as possible. But don't tell anyone. People have such dirty minds. Especially my wife. Very dirty mind she has. Nobody must come to know. Oh, what is this? Stage in front of Birju's house. Oh, I have to make a speech. I wish you children had told me earlier.
You will be great, Mukhya ji. You're always great. Please do have a seat. Please do.
Let me go, you police. I'll call the police. I'll put you in jail.
Sit here and not a word from you. Otherwise, I will beat you so much that you will forget your name.
गांव वालों, we are all here today to honor our dear Mukhya ji, who has done many great things for the village. Today, I am going to tell the village about what a great man he is and how he has served the village so well.
We would also like to honor our dear Babuji. As we all know, he is always on confidential government business. And he is working, confidentially of course, for the betterment of the village.
Now, I am going to tell you all about the Ramgarh Canal project. In 1999, the UP state government sanctioned 28 lakh rupees for the Ramgarh Canal.
Our Mukhya ji graciously accepted the amount. And then recently, he and the Babu have submitted a project completion report telling that the canal has been built, its dimensions, the people who have worked in it, etc., etc.
But Shiva beta, there is no Ramgarh canal, है ना?
There is Ramgarh Canal, Mataji. It is in the government papers.
What has happened, dear villagers, is this. The money sanctioned for the canal was siphoned out by the Mukhya and the Babu. They took all the money, built nothing for the village, and created all these government files with nothing but lies.
Not only this, over the years, a lot of money has been sanctioned and a lot of it has disappeared.
We were told that the government does not care. But the truth is, we never cared. We never cared to know the truth.
But now we can. And now we must. Using the right to information, we can hold these people accountable.
We can know how much money has been sanctioned and whether it is used for the rightful purpose.
What's more, we have the right to know how much the stock the ration shop has. This Lala has been looting all the gaon walas for so many years now.
Friends, let us use this weapon, information, to put an end to all corruption in the country. जानने का हक, the right to
दोस्त दोस्त यार यार प्यार पिंटू तेरे पास क्या है?
मेरे पास तो माँ।
Moin.
Okay, you gotta walk.
I don't care, it's Akash's camera.
Now don't come around the side because he's gonna.
Just take some pictures, please.